Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Texas Chainsaw. You got the error supplied credential is invalid as soon as you launch the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, click on the option download and install to make your operating system up to date. Secondly is, if you have installed any third-party antivirus, make sure you temporarily disable it, then launch the game to fix out the issue of supplied credential is invalid. Now if this failed to work out, in next step, you need to open up your Steam control panel. In Steam control panel, click on the general tab and here you will find the option of in-game overlay. Make sure you disable it. After disabling NVIDIA in-game overlays, head over to your Steam again, choose library, right click on your game and choose the option properties. And here also, if you have turned on this particular option, make sure you turn off the Steam overlay also to fix out the issue. And thirdly is, right in this properties tab, click on the option installed files and here you will find the option of verify integrity of game files. Click on the option verify integrity of game files, wait for a few minutes until the process is completed, and after completion of the process, go ahead, relaunch the Steam, close the Steam and then relaunch it, and this will completely fix out the issue of Texas Chainsaw supported credential is invalid. If this method also failed to work out, in next step, I suggest you to go ahead and disable the conflicting softwares with the Texas Chainsaw. The softwares which are known for confliction issues are Razor Synapses, MSI Dragon Center and MSI Afterburner. Make sure you close or disable these three applications in order to fix out the issue of Texas Chainsaw supplied credential is invalid. And lastly is, if you have plugged in any racing wheel to your system, make sure you unplug those racing wheels such as Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel. After unplugging, go ahead, relaunch the game using the Steam, and once the game is launched, you can reconnect your racing wheel to fix out the issue of Texas Chainsaw supplied credential is invalid. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.